Welcome to Dapitan Arcade. It has been dubbed as Bagsaken, or the place to be if you want overruns of export quality home finds. Located at Dapitan Corner, Canlawn Street, the Tiangjie has been the go-to place of those who want to decorate their homes on a budget for decades. Some items still even have tags on them, while others, if given some more TLC, would surely pass as a branded item. In today's digital age, one can find almost anything online these days and have it delivered at home in less than 24 hours. However, for the true shopping junkie, nothing beats the feeling of getting a bargain after hours of window shopping. Dapitan Arcade in Quezon City may be the best place to do that. Excited yet? Before heading to the famous shopping destination, bear in mind that shopping in Dapitan Arcade does not only mean the Tiangjie itself. From the corner of Appa Street all the way to Mayan Street, the whole area is teeming with stalls selling everything under the sun, from Christmas decor to acacia baskets. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.